How to recover old account on NGL. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can recover your old account on NGL. Open up the app first. Now once you've opened it up, you'll be landed on the home page right here. Just tap on get started, and then from here you're going to have to select the date of birth that you've previously selected, and then once you have done that, tap on continue. Now select which account that was connected to your previous NGL account. I connected my Instagram, so I'm just going to select this. And then from here, choose your username, choose your Instagram's username. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on next. And then from here, you can select a profile picture if you want. I'm just going to skip it for now. And once that is done, now you've successfully connected your previous account. So all you have to do here is simply tap on copy link, and then you could easily use this as you used to use. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you recover your previous NGL account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.